Hello students. So in today's class we are going to do the remaining exercises of chapter adverbs. Okay. In the previous video we have done two exercises of adverb A and B. Now today we are going to do the exercise number C. Okay. So let's start. What is the question? Circle the adverbs of place in the following sentences and underline the verbs they are added to. Now in this exercise you have to circle the adverbs and adverbs of place, okay, and underline the verbs they are added to. मीन्स जिस वर्ब को वो क्वालिफाई कर रहे हैं या जिस वर्ब के बारे में वो कुछ बता रहे हैं, ठीक है, उसे आपको अंडरलाइन करना है और जो हमारे एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस हैं उसे सर्कल करना है. So in the first sentence, please come here. Here is adverb because this is giving the answer of where an action take place, and this is modifying the verb come. So underline it and circle it. Second sentence, I cannot look down from the 20th floor. Here adverb is down because it is giving the answer of where an action take place. Okay, and verb is look, so underline it. In the third sentence, they are waiting outside. So outside is adverb of place because it is giving the answer of where, and this is modifying the verb waiting, so you have to underline this. Sentence number 4, Mohan lived downstairs. Downstairs means नीचे, stairs से नीचे. So this is giving the answer of where, and this is modifying the verb lived. So underline this verb and circle this adverb. Sentence number 5 is Veena is upstairs. In this sentence, upstairs is adverb, and this is giving the answer of where, and the main verb is here is. This is qualifying the verb is, so you have to underline it. Sixth sentence, look up in the sky. So up is adverb because it is giving the answer of where an action take place and modifying the verb look, so underline it. The seventh sentence, Meeta will stay there. So there is adverb of place because it is giving the answer of where an action take place, and this is modifying the verb stay, so you have to underline it. In the eighth sentence, it is raining, let's go inside. So inside is adverb here, so circle it, and inside is modifying the verb go, so you have to underline it. Okay. Now question number D is circle the adverbs of frequency in the following sentences and underline the verbs they are added to. Now in this exercise you have to underline the adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency means adverb of frequency tell us how often certain actions are done or happen. Means adverb of frequency gives us the answer of how often. कोई एक्शन हमारा कितनी बार होता है, कब होता है. So you have to circle them and underline the verbs they are added to. Means जिसको वो qualify कर रहे हैं उसको आपको underline करना है. So in the first sentence, he went to the school daily. In this sentence, daily is adverb of frequency. So you have to circle it, and this is modifying the verb went, so you have to underline it. Second sentence, we go to their houses sometimes. In this sentence, sometimes is adverb because it is giving the answer of how often. Sometimes means kabhi kabhi. This is adverb of frequency, and this is modifying the verb go, so underline it. Third sentence is I often play badminton. So often is adverb of frequency because it is giving the answer of how often an action takes place, and play is verb here, so you have to underline it. Fourth sentence, Swati always carries an umbrella with her. So always is adverb of frequency. Always means hamesha because it is giving the answer of how often, and carries is verb here, so you have to underline it. Fifth sentence, he never misses his art class. So never is adverb of frequency. circle it, and Mrs. is verb here, so you have to underline it. Sixth sentence, she called me twice yesterday. Twice means 2 times, मतलब 2 बार. That means twice is giving the answer of how often. So this is adverb of frequency and this is modifying the verb called, so underline it. Next sentence is Jyoti calls on me regularly. So regularly is adverb of frequency. Regularly means daily. So this is adverb of frequency and modifying the verb calls. That means you have to underline it. Eighth sentence, I met him once. Once means एक बार. That means once is giving the answer of how often. So this is adverb here. So and circle it and underline the verb met. Now exercise is underline the adverbs in the following sentences and write whether they tell us when, where, how और how often an action takes place. अब इसमें सभी सेंटेंसेस आपके मिक्स हैं. आपको फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको क्या करना है कि एडवर्ब्स को आपको अंडरलाइन करना है. फिर ये बताना है कि वो हमारे कौन से एडवर्ब्स हैं. एडवर्ब्स ऑफ टाइम हैं या एडवर्ब्स ऑफ प्लेस हैं या फिर एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी हैं या एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर है. ठीक है ना. सो इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस Suhana listens quietly. Quietly is adverb and this is giving the answer of how. That means which adverb is this? This is adverb of manner because it is giving the answer of how. Okay. So underline it and write here how. Second sentence, sometimes I go to the gym. So in this sentence, sometimes is adverb and sometimes is giving the answer of how often. That means this is adverb of frequency. So write here how often. Third sentence is I will stay here in the classroom. So here is adverb and this is giving the answer of where. That means this is adverb of place. So write here where. Okay. And Geeta gets up from bed early. Early is adverb here and this is giving the answer of when. That means which adverb is this? This is adverb of time. Okay. In the fifth sentence, look up in the sky. So up is adverb and this is giving the answer of where. So you have to circle this, underline this and write here where because it is giving the answer of where and this is adverb of place. Sixth sentence, the soldiers fought bravely. So bravely is adverb here. You have to underline it and write here how because this is giving the answer of how and this is adverb of manner. In the seventh sentence, yesterday I went for abacus class. So yesterday is adverb here and this is giving the answer of when. So write here when and which adverb is this? This is adverb of time. Next is Meena is never late. Okay. So here never and late they both are adverbs. यहाँ पे आप क्या late never भी adverb है और late भी. ठीक है. तो never जो है वो किसको modify कर रहा है? late को. और late जो है वो किसको modify कर रहा है? is को. ओके. तो यहाँ पे दोनों ही हमारे adverbs हैं. बट never आपका कौन सा adverb है? Frequency because it is giving the answer of how often and late is giving the answer of when. So this is adverb of time. Okay. Now F exercise is match the adverbs with the verbs and then form sentences using them. अब यहाँ पे कुछ आपकी verbs given है, कुछ adverbs. तो आपको उस verb को correct adverb से पहले match करना है, उसके बाद आपको sentence form करना है. So we will do it on a page because there is no space for writing the sentences. So we will do on the page. Okay. So paste the page here and first verb is lived. Okay. Look at this exercise. First verb is lived. तो आपको ऐसे एडवर्ब से आपको मैच करना है जिससे कि उसका सेंटेंस हम लोग फॉर्म कर सकें और वो प्रॉपर हो, मीन्स वो करेक्ट सेंटेंस लगे. ठीक है. तो वन बाय वन हम लोग करेंगे. फर्स्ट वर्ब इज लिव्ड, सेकंड इज रोड, third is work, fourth is dance and fifth is ran. उसी के अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग adverbs यूज करेंगे. Okay, so first verb is lived. So we will make the sentence Riya lived in Delhi happily. क्योंकि lived के साथ में हम happily adverb को यूज करेंगे. Okay, now second one is road. Second verb is road. तो अब हमें road के अकॉर्डिंग adverb यूज करना है. तो road कौन करता है? Lion. ठीक है, The lion roared angrily. अब जब वो दहाड़ेगा तो कैसा गुस्से में होगा ना वो, तो हम इसके साथ में एंग्रीली एडवर्ब यूज करेंगे. नाउ थर्ड वन इज हार्ड. आपके थर्ड जो वर्ब है वो क्या है? सॉरी, वर्क है. वर्क. ठीक है, दिस इज नॉट वर्ब, दिस इज वर्क. सो रोहन वर्कड हार्ड फॉर द एग्जाम. ठीक है, अब हम किस एडवर्ब से मैच करेंगे? हार्ड से. वर्क कैसा करेंगे? हार्ड. ठीक है, तो रोहन वर्कड हार्ड फॉर द एग्जाम. नाउ फोर्थ वर्ब इज डांस्ड. सो कोमल डांस ग्रेसफुली. इसको हम ग्रेसफुली से मैच कर देंगे. एंड फिफ्थ वन इज ही रैन फास्ट. सो रैन इज वर्ब हियर, तो रैन को हम किससे मैच कर देंगे? फास्ट से. ओके, सो दीज आर योर सेंटेंसेस. राइट them on the page. Exercise number G is find adverbs from the word great. They are formed by adding ly to the given words. Make boxes and mark them on the grid. अब आपको क्या करना है कि यहाँ पे कुछ नीचे वर्ड्स दिए हैं, उसमें आपको ly ऐड करके एडवर्ब फॉर्म करना है. ठीक है, जो कि इस आपके ग्रिड में, वर्ड ग्रिड में गिवन है. आपको बॉक्स क्रिएट करना है. सो टेक अ scale and draw the line and make boxes. Okay, and by adding ly. आपको adverbs form करना है ly ऐड करके. So first word is slow. अब slow के लिए हमें adverb कहाँ पे मिलेगा? और उसमें ly ऐड भी होना चाहिए. ठीक है, so this is number 1, slow. SLOWLY. Okay, so take a scale and make a box and write number 1 here. Number 2 is sudden. तो sudden से हमें एक adverb create करना है. So see in the last line of your grid, this is suddenly. SUDDENLY. Suddenly is here. So write number 2 and make box. Okay. Third is happy. So happy से कौन सा adverb form करेंगे? Happily. See, this is HAPPILY. ओके, तो यहाँ से आपको पूरा ये बॉक्स फॉर्म करना है. राइट करना है यहाँ पे नंबर 3. फोर्थ इज सॉफ्ट. दैट मीन्स सॉफ्टली एडवर्ब फॉर्म करेंगे. सी हियर S is given, SOFTLY. This is softly. So make box here and write number 4. Number 5 is loud. तो loud से कौन सा एडवर्ब फॉर्म करेंगे? जब ly ऐड कर देंगे क्या हो जाएगा? loudly. So LOUDLY, loudly is here. So make box and write number 5 here. Number 6 is graceful. अब graceful से कौन सा adverb form करेंगे? gracefully. So look here. G is given. GRACEFULLY. This is gracefully. So make box and write number 6 here. Number 7 is wild. तो अब आपको वाइल्ड से एडवर्ब फॉर्म करना है. दैट मीन्स अगर हम लोग वाइल्ड में ly ऐड कर देंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? वाइल्डली. सो WILDLY. वाइल्डली. राइट नंबर 7 हियर. एंड 8 इज क्वाइट. क्वाइट. अब क्वाइट में ly ऐड करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? क्वाइटली. सो वेयर इज क्वाइटली? सी, Q is given here. QUIETLY. Quietly. So make box and write number 8 here. Okay students, so these were your exercises. Practice them properly, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay, thank you class.